IQ tests are a popular way to measure intelligence and are used for various purposes, like job applications or university admissions. In this video, we'll dive into some IQ test questions and answers to help you understand the different types of questions you might encounter. IQ tests typically consist of different types of questions, such as pattern recognition, verbal reasoning, numerical series completion, and more. Each question is designed to evaluate a specific cognitive skill. Numerical series completion challenges your ability to identify patterns and complete numerical sequences. Now let's move on to some more challenging questions to test your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Complex logic problems require you to analyze information and make logical deductions. Unusual word associations test your ability to think outside the box and make unconventional connections between words. Start with these questions. See if you can answer them without taking a lot of time. Max 15 seconds per question. Try it yourself and share your answers in the comments. If you need more questions, visit the website and you can practice with it. This site will provide clear reasoning and thought processes for each answer, helping you understand why a particular solution is correct. You can also find alternative approaches and strategies for solving certain questions, broadening your problem-solving toolkit. Practice is key. It's not about your IQ, it's about exposure. If you have exposed yourself to these questions enough, you can always use the skills to solve any problem in your life and career.